Shadow Ops 5. Let's get this guy a little bit closer. Let's see how we do this. We're going to distract with that chopper. You just want the chopper to engage. And then once the chopper engages the troops, the controllers will clear it out. Biggest thing you want to get rid of is these big old walking guys. They're the most dangerous. They'll start moving. There they go. Hopefully that will get a couple of them. Just one. Gotta watch out once they start getting shot. What happens when the choppers get shot down? Just restart. That's the easiest way to do it. If they get shot down, just restart. Keep your eye out for anyone that sneaks up from whatever direction. Here they come. Maybe they'll get one. There you go. Got a couple of them there. Once your chopper goes down, you're in trouble. See if you can just clear out the front. You're going to lose a couple choppers, but just restart as soon as they die. All right, these guys are all engaged, so let's try. You got to watch out for him. If he starts coming, we're backing out. Yep, he's on his way. See if we can't do a little bit of damage here before the chopper goes down. Once the chopper goes down, get out, restart. That'll help. He's going down real soon. All right, we're ending. Just going to take our time, see what we can get. Chopper will distract. The controllers will clear the base. Somebody engage, but don't shoot my chopper. Shoot the two other ones. There you go. What do we got here? Let's see if we can clear out this side first. Doesn't matter which way you do it. That guy's getting heavy damage. He's going down soon. Gotta watch out the guys that sneak up from the side. Got a little bit of damage there. See if we can take out the rail. We can get out the rail, then we can get the bunker. The rail will shoot you though if you don't get rid of him. So get rid of the rail. All right, we should be good now. We can get rid of the bunker. Good, this will help us. Watch out though, when he dies, you got to be ready to leave because they will attack. And they'll put the hurting on you. Here they come. You need the distraction of the chopper, or else your controllers will go down. Let's come over here and clear a load of this side. biggest concern are these walking guys, so get rid of them first. Because the other ones will be distracted by the choppers, but those guys will, whoa, here they come, coming from all different directions. Take him out, take him out. There you go. All right, here he comes. We got to get rid of him. Once you get rid of him, we'll be all right. Okay, he's gone. Now let's get rid of these turrets. Hopefully we can get in there before he dies. All right, that's better. Pull these guys back. Hurry up and kill him. Oh boy, he's not lasting. All right. No sense taking damage. Let's try this again. Now we got to be careful, because he will take out your chopper. Let's come over here and distract. Yeah, there you go. Let's take out this stuff over here so we don't have to worry too much about it anymore. There we go. The heavy hitting has been done. All right. Move in a little bit closer, engage a few more of the troops. There we go. Here he comes. There we go. Take him out. Choppers are okay now. Those little guys don't kill them real quickly, so we should be all right. Just got to be careful we don't get any damage to our controllers. But at this point, it's pretty much we're done. I'll let them shoot the plane. These guys, yeah, there you go. He's dead. Yep, there you go. He's gone. We're just doing cleanup. Oh, we got to get rid of these guys too. Okay, him, and him, and we're done. All right, that's it. So this is one way to do it. Come on, go down. There you go. Let's see what we get. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So that was it. No damage. Go.